Jamaica's Demario Prince has once again proven his dominance on the track, securing a thrilling 110-meter hurdles gold at the NACAC Games in the Bahamas. With a stellar time of 13.35 seconds, Prince narrowly edged out the competition, with Dylan Beard taking silver and Jahiem Stern clinching bronze. But what's most impressive is how Prince has maintained his consistency and speed throughout the season, from his remarkable performance at the Nanjing World Indoor Championship to his standout collegiate career. In this video, we'll break down his gold medal run, his impressive journey leading up to the NACAC Games, and what his future at the Tokyo World Championships might look like. Let's find out how this rising star is setting the stage for even greater achievements. Jamaica's Demario Prince has been extremely consistent this season since making his senior debut by making the 60-meter hurdles final at the Nanjing World Indoor Championship. Prince also did extremely well on the collegiate circuit in the 110-meter hurdles at the NCAA Championship while representing Baylor University. Later, having placed second in the 110-meter hurdles at the Jamaica National Championship and made the team for the Tokyo World Championships, Prince decided to contest the NACAC Games in the Bahamas for additional preparation for the World Championship. The event had 2 rounds, semi-finals and the final on the same day. In the semi-final, Jamaica's Jahiem Stern looked the best as he ran the fastest time of 13.40 seconds. However, in the final, Jamaica's Demario Prince got a good start with Dylan Beard of the United States in the lead. Prince quickly separated himself from the field and crossed the line in 13.35 seconds to win his first senior gold medal. Dylan Beard earned silver with 13.39 seconds and Jahiem Stern took bronze with 13.63 seconds. Despite having such an extensive collegiate season, Demario Prince is showing no signs of slowing down as he heads to the Tokyo World Championship in September. Demario Prince has shown the world what dedication and perseverance can achieve, securing a gold medal and setting the stage for even greater accomplishments ahead. With the Tokyo World Championships just around the corner, his journey is only just beginning. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think Demario will continue to improve his time and dominate at the Tokyo World Championships? How do you think his performance at the NACAC Games prepares him for the upcoming competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the top Jamaican National Championship performances this year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in athletics and more. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.